So we are getting a snowstorm right now. Daddy cannot come in at the yard. Yeah! Me for try. So suppose the breeze blow away. Guys, this is like me out. Woo! Daddy, wait till the breeze done. Jesus Christ. You ready? Deke! So my brother's gonna help my dad to shovel the snow. And my aim is so bad. Because look at me throw the shovel now, people. Could they? You know, going in shoes, in Havana snowshoes. So, but me never know say it's so bad out here, people. Because me inside of my house, so well cuddled up and cozy. I know that he come from work and he can't come in the yard. And yeah, so that cost me and my brother to be out here, you know, but you know, stay out there. No? So neighbors are out here trying to free up for them driveway too. But the snow is still coming down. Yeah, the snow is still coming down. He's showing the snow on the awning, the thing, the wreath. Yeah, and that's a go on the side of the yard. And not to imagine running at the backyard. It's cool. So yeah, guys, this is what's happening at the moment. Daddy there is a shovel out in parking spot. Yeah.
Which is ice in my shoes.
So ice in mine too. I'm not even have socks. I don't know when me come out here so far, like say me at the skin me use the shoes. Yeah guys, so this snowstorm is going to continue into tomorrow. So yeah, reporting live. Whoa. Yeah. From morning. From 3 o'clock this morning.
Oh shit.
It been coming down. Yeah, should I go jump up with a snow angel, but not right now. Hey guys. So we are going to help him shovel. So yeah. Bye guys, just letting you see what's happening at the moment.